Hey, what's up, Mirza? I'm back. Oh, wait. I think I echoed for a little bit. Yeah, my light speed is finally set up. I think I set all my hotkeys, but I'm just scared to start using it. I tested with the demo, but I haven't taken any live trades on it yet. But it should be all ready to go. Come on, man. I'm scared to use it. What do you think? You think I should go for it? You think I just don't like the way you zoom in this thing. Like, I can't zoom in and see a bigger picture. And I can only scroll. I can't do like the Thinkorswim. Plus, I don't know that I see good stocks. What are you looking at today? I see. Where's all of them? Would you prefer wonky scrolling or delayed entries? True. HYMC looked like it had a good run yesterday. I think I have to HYMC. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Oh, you killed it yesterday. GFA AI, I'm looking at that one too. Tilray is killing me. Remember those calls I bought that I posted on that Discord? I was up like 500 on them, and now I'm down like 600 on them. So I should have taken my profit. Oh well. Yeah, I know. It's still supposed to be a build this weekend, right? Or this week? I haven't even looked at anything about it. CLV maybe also. CLV. Cause. Sub Trader Sage. Okay, I see cause. Break up 1285. Still a little high, but we can get there. See, this one I like. If I trade it on light speed. It's been at 24.4 before. How'd you do overall yesterday then, Mercer? Was that your only trade, or did you make up? And what about you, Trader Sage? How'd you do? So on light speed. See if I do this and go Well, I was actually going to buy down there. I need to figure out how to do lines with hotkeys too. Nice. 30 pips. So I tried buying there, and nothing happened. Why is that? It's not even sending the order at all. I think that's my problem. So I tried buying 1,000. So this is my order. There's nowhere it says pre-market or not pre-market, right? Buy, limit, LSBT. Am I missing something? I don't see anything where you can choose pre-market or not. Display order size pop up. Anybody in here? Oh, what's up, Ape Trades? You're in here. What stock are you trading? I haven't traded anything, but the one I'm looking at is KOSS. Anybody in here use Lightspeed? I just got my account set up and I'm not used to it, so I have a couple of questions. Or if anybody can see my screen right here, the little middle pop-up one. Do y'all know where I can select if this entry is pre-market or not? Because it doesn't, this is where the order is, but it doesn't tell me anything if it's pre-market or not. Maybe it's somewhere else. I don't see it anywhere. I don't know. I'm gonna wait till market open and see if that's it. Then I don't buy pre-market anyways, but if that works, then I should be good. If not, then I'll look it up afterwards. Alright guys, what are y'all looking at? So I thought CLV was, maybe I just made that up. So, you think it's gonna rip off Bell? I don't know, it can, yeah. I don't see an obvious target, but maybe back up to 13 up here somewhere maybe, but I'm not saying buy right away, but it's got a chance. GFAI, it's got a chance, and HYMC, if we get up around here about 3.1, 3.2 and start holding. Plays from yesterday, guys. I didn't trade yesterday, so I think I saw ALLG maybe. Yeah, we got a high of 23.91. I'm gonna put an alert here. Let me drop that down a little bit. This is a note stock. ACB wheat stock, not doing anything. This is a note stock. Alright, so we got about a minute to the bell. Hey apes, ape trades, my freaking Tilray calls are suffering. Okay, so I do think cost has a chance to bounce right at open. Here we go, guys. This might be my first trade ever. I mean, this will be my first trade ever on. I'm gonna take that off just in case it tries to do both. On light speed. Okay, something is not right. How is there... I don't understand what's happening right here. That's all the keys that I'm clicking, and that's so dumb. I need to figure this out. Wow. Um, GFAA might be doing a red to green move. I took a small trade, well, not a small trade on cost. I lost 50. I was down 200, up 200, whatever that happened. Um, I'm kind of really frustrated that this is not working. It won't. Can I buy 100 like this? Well, it worked like that. Yep, there's a green, red to green move on GFAA. So is cost again. Sorry I'm being kind of quiet today. I've been trying to work my light speed thing at the same time, and it's not being fun. It won't cooperate with me, and I don't know why. Make sure you keep checking out my momentum scanner, guys. I'm kind of forgetting about it right now, but you got Labu running up right now. Previous highs of 1758. You got a chance to go up there. Cost is trying to finally make a move. Can't break this 11.6 level. Anybody taking any trades yet? Okay, light speed. Why? Oh, I still have that position open? Did I not close it? I guess I didn't, so I held it. I thought I closed it. Small loss on cost. Yeah, I took a small loss on cost too, right there. I don't know how it's not registering my hotkeys. My hotkeys are there. Like keyboard. Let me look at the order again. Buy 1,000 limit. Edit the order. What doesn't look right about this? I'm buying 1,000 shares at the ask on this market. Doesn't that look right? I don't. Buy 1,000 at limit, and then I go to keyboard, buy 1,000 at limit, and it's Shift A. That's what I was doing. SPCE is trying another move right now. ALLG, which I was calling earlier, has a chance to move back up. It's moving back up a little bit. Labu is still pretty good. For those people that like dip entries, Labu might be getting close to there and further move to 1760 if we get that move. So momentum scanner right above my camera. Anything that's moving with volume, and the darker it gets, the more it's popped up on there, so that's good. Here goes Labu maybe. 1 minute candle to make a new high above 1707. I'm still watching Labu. Cause I would put alert, so maybe if it gets back to squeezing up there, finally breaks that level. ALLG is moving up again. I never looked at HYMC. What did it do? It opened. Tanked. I'll put another alert on that one just in case. Ooh, ALLG is finally moving. I got in there because of break of all-time highs. I tried buying more. I tried buying 2,000 right before that break, and I forgot that I took money out, so it wouldn't let me buy 2,000. I was about to buy 2,000 at 23.6, so I couldn't. So I have 1,000 shares. It hasn't broken the high, so I have a good feeling about this one. It might jump right up to 24.5, 25. I was calling this one right down here at $22. Did anybody get in on this one? I said watch ALLG squeezing. It's got room. So I'm currently holding 1,000 shares in the halt of ALLG. I hope this halt is a good one. If we get a nice pop to 25, that's instant at $1,000. My average price is $23.40, so I'm down here. Nobody got in on ALLG? My only trade today was COS, and I lost 50. I lost 50 on that, and then I lost 50 on Lightspeed. What do you guys think? A good unhalt on ALG or no? I'm currently holding 1,000 shares, up 385, but that doesn't mean anything because this can easily pop up or just come down at the open of it. Do we get the break of 24? Squeeze to 25. Usually these I almost sell right away. I'm gonna try to stick it out unless it just straight up jumps up here. Then I'll take half real quick. Anybody else on this halt? This is kind of low volume here, and then I don't know where it squeezed everybody out. But when you have a previous high like that, not too long ago, when it squeezes, people will either jump on it, and then the sellers will just get out of it. Hey, what's up, Joey? Welcome back. And I'm back. I am currently stuck in a halt on ALLG. Currently up almost $400, but I know that doesn't mean anything when you're in a halt, so let's keep watching. You got Mets trying to make another move, guys, breaking the resistance of $3. If you hold 3, maybe get a dip entry back up to 325. Cost is also trying to come back up. Let's see, ALG halted at 8:39 and it's 8:43, so that's 4 minutes, so we should be live pretty soon. Watch ALG, guys. If you're not in it, this is probably a risky play to get in after this halt. If you're in it, wait to see if you get that break of 24, all hot new highs, and then 25, 26 is possible, guys. 25, 26 is possible right here. We are fixing to go live, I think. LABU is trying to come back. Break of downtrend MRSA. I don't know if you were watching it or not. LABU. I see another stock on my momentum scanner that's showing up there. GDYN. I haven't looked at it, but it's popping up. I think I see LABU out of the corner of my eye still popping up. Is this going to be a 10-minute halt? Come on, just give me a squeeze into another halt. That would be nice. If it squeezed into another halt up at $25, $26, that would be a good move. I do see two small red orders at the tape last second. There's a little pop. Keep holding, keep holding. Buyers might step in. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm back. I am back. I mean, do I even hold or should I just sell or what do I do, guys? I'm done. That's it. I'm done on the day. What do I need to do now? What else do I need to do, guys? If I don't trade Monday, I'll make it up on Tuesday. That's it. That's it. If I don't trade yesterday, I just make it up today. Now, if I would have bought those 2,000 shares right before I wanted to, but because I took money out of my account, I couldn't. I would have been up, but this would have been easily a $6,000 trade, guys. Play golf, dude. I've been trying to retire. Take the profit. I did, guys. Nice. Good trade. Did anybody join me on that one? I was calling it way down here at 837, 839. I started noticing it, and I said we have a high of 23. Watch that break of 24, and we can get a squeeze. I know it's not hard to always get it. I know it's hard to always get in them, but good trade right there, guys. I have been trying to get into golf recently, actually, but I can hit the ball at the range perfectly, and once I get into a freaking course, I'm like terrible. But also, I want to point out on this one, that opening right at 25, yeah, it was 25, and I said watch that dip or something like that, and then hold it. It held it, so I didn't. Now some of those, oh, that could have been a good dip trade. Some of these do. I thought I just canceled this. Some of these will come down, and if it doesn't hold it, it'll flush, and you can get stuck in a halt downwards, especially if it already halted up. But I had an average down here, so I was fine, and it held at 23, which was the previous high, 23.90 or whatever it was. So after that, the buyers came in, and it instantly just shot right up. So good trade right there. So I'm going to 80 pips. What do you mean by pips? Pips are in Forex, right? So how are you counting it on here? Just counting at $80? I'm just curious. I know I've heard pips when I was looking into Forex a while ago. And I think, I don't know exactly, but I'm just asking you. So when you say 80 pips on ALLG, what do you mean? But I'm assuming that's a green trade and you made money no matter what it is. If it's $80, if it's 80 pips, if it's $10, you made money, so good job. That could be a dip. No, see? Wasn't I just talking about this? When you break that support that everybody was at, you might get a halt down. And that's what I was just saying earlier, and look what's happening right now. Didn't I just say that? Didn't I just say that like 30 seconds ago? But feels good to be back. Feels good to be back. I'm going to mess with my Lightspeed, guys. Does anybody in here use Lightspeed? I seriously need help. And I really don't know what's wrong with it, because this is my... Ooh. So is it just... How are you measuring the pips to dollars, though? Are you just going to add a 0 to it? Or how are you taking it into consideration? Just a question. Joey, I see you typing. What you got? You got a question? Missed the ALG round, focusing on GFAI. Yeah. They were both kind of happening at the same time also right here at the candle of 833, 834. I was starting to look at GFAI, and then I saw ALG, so I completely switched over. Custom orders. Let me look at their orders. So they had this one on here. And it looks the same. Buy 100 marker. Let's see. Let me map this to Shift G. I don't have that yet. Buy 100 market. Okay, if I do FRGE, I know that was a good one. No, it so, okay, well, let's look at FREG here. FREG. If I buy 100 shares, did this halt also? It was Shift G, right? How is that happening? Well, that one worked though. So the market order worked, but I don't want a market order in here. Plus, I got filled way up there. Let me see what I got filled up by FRAG at 2112. Whoa. So it filled me at the highest part of the candle. Great. And it did fill me as a market order, right? Yeah, at market. Keyboard, buy 100 at market. Shift G. Buy 100 market. Unmap. So if I click Shift A should be my buy 1,000. I don't want to buy anything stupid since I'm already down 100 bucks on this account, but I don't understand it. At one, the checkers. ALLG is back live. LABU is trying to come back up again. Okay, watch this, see this. My bucket list. I don't need it. Well, I was trying to freaking do something, but so let's see right there. 1717. Shift A. It doesn't do anything. I don't understand. Let's try another one. Shift D. And this is how I fixed them last time when I had a demo account, and I literally coded the orders the same way, and it buy. How is NKLA shooting an alert? Quantity 1,000. Pop-up confirmation no. Let's do this. Let's see if it's even sending the order. What the heck is this? Forgot I could have turned that on so I don't freaking. Okay, so there. Oh, that's why. Buy LSPT quantity 0. What about shift 1? Shift 1 does something different. So shift 2 worked. Oh frick. If I do shift, crap, 1721, click that. Quantity 0 though. And why is it saying that? When I go up here, configurations, custom order, by 2000, edit, quantity 2000. Or is it backwards? Is this 0 and is this 2000? Let's try this, shift D. Did I have them backwards? That doesn't make sense. Buy LSBT quantity 2000. No, I don't want to buy that, but I think it worked. So if I go custom orders, buy 1000, edit, with position to close, so without position to close. So 0 there and 1000 there. Shift A. Why is that another hotkey to something else? Keyboard. Shift A. That is one thing I love about Thinkorswim, guys. Thinkorswim is so easy to understand. Joby is shooting an alert, guys. I don't know what Joby is doing, but let's go look at it for you guys. A high of 656 and we're at 620, but that's not as close as it seems. Okay, so I think I have them backwards, but I don't know why Shift A doesn't work. Not for me. Is there... Guys, I know I'm being... not even looking at the market anymore. If you have a question about a stock, go ahead and comment it. I'll take a look at it. If you got any trades you're making or profit you made, let me know just so I can take a look at it and so you can brag because we made money. I really don't understand it. I don't know why it's doing that. Maybe it's in here. Shortcuts. No. Quotes. Price levels. Layout. It kind of is upsetting me. Hey guys, Joby's still moving up. Anybody watching JOBY? You're almost to 6'3". Holy crap, man. The worst thing is I don't know where it's coming from. Let's do shift 1. Bio is mapped to key shift A. Are you sure you want to remap it to shift 1? Yes. Shift 1. It did the same thing. I don't know what this window means. So maybe it's something with that order. Looks the same. LSPT, visible, quantity 0, quantity 1000. Oh, I don't know what I just did, but I think it worked. So let me try it again and go back here. Go 1000 limit, edit, map key now. By 1000 limit, shift A, that one, that bound. Yes, shift A. Okay. I think I got that figured out. Took me a while. Anybody still in here and trading? Alright, let's try this out. If you're still in here trading, and either you made... Oh, I just saw you added an emoji to your text. So, on profits, if you made money, post it there. If you lost money, I don't care. Post it there. And on what ticker? I just want to see. I thought you can post pictures over here, right? ALG for the win. $2,200 on it. My name is. Okay, so unfortunate. Now there's nothing to trade. How does Joby look? Joby's pulling back. Okay, I think I fixed my my light speed, but now I have to go back and change all of my orders again. So I'm probably gonna do that so I can try trading on it tomorrow, guys. If you're still here and watching, I might get off so I can do this. And honestly, I made good profit today, so I don't think there's a need for me to keep trading and give it back or lose it. If you're still trading, I would watch JOBY. GFAI, maybe it's kind of come down a little bit. LABU, no, never mind. I was gonna say LABU, but it's already turning back. SPCE, maybe. Sorry about the very distracted trading today, even though I still made good money, but I know I was messing with Lightspeed and missing a couple of you guys up and all that. But I am gonna head out so I can fix this and give it a try later, so see if it's all ready for tomorrow. And I will see you guys there. Oh, actually, GFAA is at a very good support. So look at this right here. So this would be a good dip entry if we saw another move up. PIK up. Let's take a look. PIK. Yep. I'm getting some volume pickup. What's our target though? 6.2. Before that, $6. It's kind of high. It's kind of a high move right now. But screw that. I mean, PIK will get in there this minute. Did you get in that move, S trades? Did you get in on PIK? Maybe break of downtrend. If you're watching it, retest right there. Entry, perfect entry, retest of downtrend with a VWAP bounce. And that's where the volume dies up. So, I don't know if you took a trade on that one or not, but no trades today. Alright, this is my opinion on this one. This right here is a beautiful... This right here is a beautiful break, right? So you got your resistance there, or even it can be down here. So this candle picks up volume and it breaks both of those. Up 1600 on ALG, nice, dude. Did you go short on it, or are you still catching bounces right now? Because you're only up 800. Alright, I'll tell you why I didn't chase this one. So, break of downtrend, that's good. Retest, confirmation, VWAP bounce, good. Good volume picking up, breaks highs, good there. But now on this next candle, what am I looking at? My target is not until up here, 6.2, that's highs, all highs. This is just a previous resistance. But before that, I don't really see anything, right? Like, let's look here. There's nothing pre-market, nothing even from yesterday. Look, all this is still, that's the line I had there, a little bit there, and that's the all-time high. So on that second candle, there was nothing, no reason for me to buy this one, even if it's squeezing, if volume's picking up, right? Very similar to ALG, but look at this. This is that first candle, so this is the same squeeze you're seeing on PIK. But I already knew this was a previous all-high resistance and break of all-time highs. The reason I'm going to chase this one is for that same reason, that I see a target very close that I can get, that people are going to bail out and calls that. The same haul, the same sellers that are like, oh man, I'm not holding through this. This is going to squeeze through me. That's where everybody's selling. So when I see a move like this with volume, even if there wasn't volume here, but when it picks up but there's an obvious target or an obvious break or resistance that I'm looking at, I will buy, and I'll buy aggressively. I bought 1,000, and I actually tried buying 2,000 more right around 23.6, right before it. I put in my order and it got canceled. I didn't have enough buying power because now I switched some money over to Lightspeed. So I could not buy that. Nice. What are you trading on then? What platform are you trading on? But you see what I'm saying? When you have a squeeze like that and obvious target, yeah, when you have a squeeze like that and no obvious target, I'm going to leave it alone. And that's the same reason why when this started squeezing, buyers don't have anywhere else to go. I mean, unless they just get a crazy move, which is not likely, which is why sellers stepped in and pushed it right back down. Now when you start seeing other patterns forming, then you can say, okay, maybe break, retest, or break their highs here. Yeah. But not that crazy move like on ALLG. Trader Sage, what platform are you trading on that lets you short? I'm curious. Have really not have momentum? I'm looking at my momentum scanner and the last one was at 909 and it's 914. Nothing has hit the momentum scanner in 5-6 minutes. Really? NK lay, no. P Pro 8 with DTTW. Is that DAS trader? Well, good short. Are you still holding or are you gonna cover soon? Let's look at it. Wow, that took me forever to find it. I don't see why you should sell all of it right now. I mean, that's a big rejection. That's too far off highs. Easy move back down to 19s, 20s, 18s. This might fade the rest of the day. Good entry, dude. There it is. Crack. There's a crack. I see a crack right there. Oh, there goes PIK again. See, that's the break of that right there. Right there. Let's take a look here. PIK, another leg up. Maybe. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm gonna put this for me. Alright guys, as far as the stream, I think I'm gonna end it there. I am gonna mess with light speed and I'm just getting distracted. Thanks for coming in guys. I know it was a short one. I know it's distracted today, but we still made some money. Good trade everybody. If you made money, if you didn't, you'll get it back tomorrow. I'm going to head out and mess with this for a little bit, so hopefully it's all ready so I can trade on it tomorrow. Alright. Thanks Joey for stopping in. Ape Trades, SS Trades, Trader Sage, Mersa. I think you lost 300, but no worries, man. You'll get tomorrow. Joey, we gotta go play some golf. You gonna join me out there on the course or what? Hey, thanks for coming back in, guys. Thanks for coming back in. I know I wasn't here yesterday, but thanks for coming back in. Appreciate all you guys. I'm gonna take my $200-$2,100 off the table and clock out. Double the money. Yeah, let's go. Hey, good trade on ALG as well. I don't know if you're still holding or not, but even if you're holding or not, you made good money. So, and I doubt it's gonna come back up and you're gonna stop out. So I know you made money on it. So good job, dude. All right. I will see y'all tomorrow. I will be streaming tomorrow. I'm gonna get on, and by 8:15 you will see me. I'll start looking at the stocks and morning watch list. All right. See you guys.